Good job, buddy. Okay, let's get another scoop. Want to help me again? Here you go. Want to help Mommy put the spoon in? You're doing so good. You're doing so good. You're doing very good, son. Whoop. Let's get more. I don't think there's anything left on that spoon. Can I have it back, Ben? Alright, let's get some more. That's a lot. Let's see how you do with that. I'm not sure how much you're actually swallowing or how much your bib is having, but I think you're doing good. Here, let's wipe it up on your mouth. It's all over your face, son. At least you're getting used to the spoon, huh? I don't think you have much in your mouth, do you? You like that spoon? Do you like it? Does it taste good? Looks like you're sucking on a lollipop. Here, let's try more, okay? Let's try a little bit more. You just have a little bit left in your bowl. Okay, ready? Open up. Nope. We gotta work on swallowing, huh? Good job, buddy. Are we all done with eating for today? Or for right now? Okay.